Hello guys and welcome back. So today I am just walking through the streets of Split. It's more like a city walk in the afternoon, maybe not the best time to walk, but yeah, just want to see how the town looks like aside from the areas close to the beach. But yeah, it's also a town of 50, 60,000 residents and looks pretty cool to be honest. Very quiet vibes. There are mountains on all sides, so yeah, it's you get this sort of Southern Europe, Mediterranean, Italian feel. Not quite sure how to describe it. Also, lots of new construction, and yeah, let's see how this day turns out. So I just went into the mall. There's one mall here in town of Split. It's quite nice, quite big, lots of options to shop and buy food. I wanted to eat something. They had a food court, so I went there, and it was also really hot in the afternoon, so I wanted to be inside for a while. But yeah, now I'm going to walk this way to the port area, the port of Split, and I'm going to sit there and watch the sunset. So let's go. And we are going in this direction where you have these tall mountains in the background. I forgot the name of the mountain range. I will put it up, but yeah, this town kind of reminds me of Southern California a little bit. It has that vibe, the ocean on one side and mountains on the other. Let's go to the beach now. Well, Google Maps has sent me under the flyover, so this kind of feels a bit like India, parts of India. Yeah. So let's see, this is going to be quite an adventurous route, I would think. Off the beaten path a bit. Let's keep going. Okay, so we have a paved road here, so this is going to be nice. It's going to give me a glimpse of the smaller alleys and yeah, just homes and stuff. A better feel for the place, I guess. So I seem to be in some sort of a football ground. I don't know if this is a stadium or a practice turf, but let's see if we can check this out. Wow, looks amazing. I wish I had a football and I could have just practiced. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. Now this is one of the old clubs, I believe, in Split. Really old and really popular in Split. Kind of, one of the people of Split really attached to this club because it's a part of their history. And I've seen people wearing these jerseys all the time. But yeah, now I am waiting for a bus because I came all the way to the other side of the town, let's say, to see the port of Split, which was not that great, to be honest, because I think it's a cargo port. But yeah, now I'm gonna go all the way to the other side of the town, to the ferry port area, where it's much more lively and we'll see a beautiful sunset. So it's quite far, and I could have walked. In fact, I wanted to walk, but it's just that sunset will happen in maybe another 30 minutes or so. So I want to get there a bit quicker. So let's see if I can find a bus. I mean, this is a bit confusing because there is no bus stop, but this is what Google Maps tells me. So let's see if a bus arrives in another few minutes. So now we're in a more active, happening part of town where all the ferries leave, and yeah, it's just a very happening part of Split, and it's beautiful at night. I mean, after the sunset, it's all lit up. There are shops, there are restaurants, there are bars, and all the islands that you go to from Split, like Hawar, we take the ferries from here, which I will also be taking, not today, but in the next weeks. And yeah, good place to finish a long day of walking where I've explored the city of Split and seen its different sites close to the mountain and now next to the ocean. So this is where we will say goodbye. See you